So guys, this is the current progress of the 5-bedroom duplex house that we are currently building in Ibadan, Nigeria. As you know, I'll be sharing with you the progress of this building right from the start. So right now we are actually installing the Gerard roof tiles on the roof. So how amazing, you can see guys how it turned out to be. How cool is this thing? How cool is it? Look, turn out to be, guys. You can see, guys. Look at that. So this is the 5-bedroom duplex. I'll take you inside, guys. You might want to see how the inside look as well. No, but this side is just made for just it's not. Yeah, we are just working on everything right now. It's just off plan. So guys, this is actually the main look of the project. So let's keep on going. So I hope you like what you see. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, guys. Peace and love. Share with your friends.